To customize your website pages, go to the top and click on Edit with Elementor. Before we start editing, let's take a look at how this page is structured. In Elementor, there are two main building blocks. You have containers and elements. Containers are the larger sections that hold everything together. And inside containers, you have elements, things like text, buttons, or images. To get a better look at what I mean, we can use the structure panel here. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the container to expand it. Do that once again. And now we can see everything that's inside of it. As you can see here, I have 4 elements inside of my container. And I can use the eyeball button here and click on it, and that's going to hide that element. I can turn it back on by clicking on the eyeball button again, and I can even hide the entire container. And you can also easily reorder your containers and elements, simply by dragging and moving them underneath another element. To clear things up, let's go to the top right and close out of the structure panel. And if you ever need access to the structure panel again, just go to the top left and click on this icon here.